destruction. The planet Tabian is struck by a meteor in the deepest parts of the galaxy. But what's this? The incredibly useful exploits of duct tape enthusiast Flimbo Ducton are able to hold the planet together, preventing annihilation. The success of his duct tape fixture ushers in a new era for the people of Tabian, one that revolutionizes architecture, agriculture, and even arts and crafts. Now, reveling in the amazement of this incredible super material, Tabian wishes to spread its duct tape culture with the rest of the galaxy.
Greetings, Earth children, and welcome to Planet Tabian. I'm your host, Flimbo Ducton. You know, I've been told by several of my colleagues that I haven't been giving you the proper respect as engineers. And we simply cannot have that now, can we? So from now on, I'll be teaching you some more advanced techniques. And I thought we would start by going over the construction of a trans-warp drive from my fleet of Tabian spacecrafts. Now, first, it's crucial that you construct a duct tape genetic recombinant encoder, which will be crucial for... What? You say that I'm not allowed to show them how to construct a Tabian spacecraft trans-warp drive? Well, that's fine. Though I didn't exactly have another craft planned for today. I know. I have been receiving quite a bit of Earth fan mail recently, and I have just been waiting for the chance to dispose, read some. Let's see. Here's one. Little Timmy, age 10, from Connecticut. Dear Flimbo, I love your duct tape crafts. I always make them with my little sister, and we have a lot of fun. Well, that's lovely. I was wondering, could you have a show where you teach us how to make a Tabian spacecraft transwarp drive? Sincerely, Timmy. Well, Timmy, I was very touched by your letter, but unfortunately the council won't let me share planetary secrets with Earthlings. I'll send you the schematics. Let's see here. A letter from Farmer Brown, age 65. Dear Flimbo, I can't say I'm not a fan of your show, but I know that you and your planet are responsible for stealing our cattle. You leave rolls of duct tape everywhere and my tractor keeps sticking to the fields. If you could please return our livestock and never come to Earth again, I would appreciate it. Sincerely, Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown, I'll start by saying I never stole anything. We were merely borrowing the animals, and besides, they were quite essential for my research, as they provided the genetic recoding modules necessary for producing the first living duct tape cow. But you probably don't care about that. Tell you what, I will not only promptly return your cows, but I'll also throw in a newly made duct tape cow for your trouble, and we can call it even. Yes, well, I think we have the time for maybe one or two more. Let's see. Here's one from little Susie, age 6, from Florida. Dear Mr. Ducton, I really like learning about how to make duct tape stuff. Please show me how to make more. P.S. I think your headband is cute. Well, you'll be surprised to know that this is not, in fact, a headband. It is a genetic antenna relay that was coded into the genes of each and every Tabian to not only give them telepathic communication capabilities, but also complete control over the minds of Earthlings. But thank you for your letter. Let's see here. Here's one from Chief Lieutenant Walters, age 54, from Nevada. Not exactly the demographic I thought we were reaching, but I suppose everyone should have a chance to learn. Dear Alien Ambassador, you have 2 days to respond to our warning before Area 51 seizes control over your planetary broadcast and brings you in for questioning and experimentation. If you do not comply, Earth will declare war on your kind. Sincerely, Lieutenant Walters. Great. More spam mail. I guess I'll just put it with the others. I'm afraid that's all the time we have for today. Sorry again about the warp drive tutorial not working out. But it was nice to hear from all of your lovely comments about the show so far. I'll continue to do my best for the education of both Earth and Tabian kind. Until then, this is Flimbo Ducton signing off. Oh, and remember, stick to what you know, but never be afraid to try something new. Tapu Tapu!